Japan is the most safest and populated country in the world. In this video, I am going to show the things we can experience in Japan. Number 1. Visit the Tokyo Skytree. Tokyo Skytree is the third tallest skyscraper in the world. It offers the magnificent view of Tokyo City. Number 2. Take a round trip of Hakone. First take the train and followed by cable car. As you go up, you can see active volcano at the bottom. As you reach the top, you can see the jaw-dropping view of Mount Fuji. Number 3. Relax in a natural hot spring. Unesen is a natural hot spring park located in Hakone. It offers unique baths such as wine bath, coffee bath, and chocolate bath. Wine bath, coffee bath, and chocolate bath are the unique experience I ever did in my life. It is believed that wine bath, coffee bath, and chocolate bath helps in relaxation of the body and beautifying the skin. Number 4. Take a day trip to Fuji Highland. It offers adventurous roller coaster ride. The most adventurous one is the steepest roller coaster in the world, with a 121-degree free fall. Number 5. Take a day trip to Disneyland. Disneyland offers the various games and shows which are very unique. Number 6. Visit around Tokyo City. Tokyo City has the most advanced infrastructures in the world. City is rich in culture and provides high-energy metropolitan vibe. It is an electrifying hub for gamers and anime lovers. Number 7. Visit the shrine in Akihabara. Number 8. Visit the busiest crossing in the world. It is estimated that around 1,000 to 2,500 people force their way across this intersection every 2 minutes. Number 9. Take a day trip to countryside to relax from the crowd. Countryside is very peaceful with traditional houses, and snow at the side of the road adds additional beauty of the place. Number 10. Experience bullet train ride. The bullet trains in Japan are called Shinkansen and are operated by Japan Railways. This train travels in the speed up to 320 km per hour. Number 11. Take a day trip to see Statue of Liberty in Odaiba. This statue is a tribute to Japan's good relationship with France. Number 12. Try Japanese most famous dish. Sushi is one of the most popular dishes in Japan. I was very amazed by their serving style. Number 13. Sleep in a capsule hotel. Sleeping inside the pod in Japan is a very unique experience. It is also friendly in terms of budget. Capsule hotel was designed for the travelers who misses their train. Number 14. Experience digital toilet. Toilets in Japan are very unique. It is equipped with a heater and many sensors.